Suryoday Small Finance Bank. This bank is offering the highest interest rate for fixed deposit compared to all other banks in India, whether it be private, public or small finance bank. So today in this video, we are going to see all about Suryoday Small Finance Bank. We will see the fixed deposit interest rate, savings interest rate and other key features. Without further ado, let's start the video. Let's start with fixed deposit. For a tenure of 7 days to less than 1 year, this bank offers a range of 4 to 6% to general public, and for senior citizen the range is between 4.5 to 6.5%. For a tenure of 1 year, this bank is giving 6.85% to general public and 7.35% to senior citizen. For deposits maturing between 1 year to 15 months, this bank offers 8.25% to general and 8.75% to senior citizen. Above 15 months to 2 years, general public will get 8.5% and 9% for senior citizens. Above 2 years to 3 years, general public will get 8.60% and senior citizens will get 9.10%. And for the tenure of above 3 years to less than 5 years, 6.75 for general public, 7.25 for senior citizens. And for a tenure of 5 years, this bank is offering highest interest rate. 9.1% will be given to general public, and for senior citizen the interest rate is 9.60%. Above 5 years to 10 years, general public will get 7.25% and senior citizens will get 7.75%. Please note that these rates are effective July 5th, 2023. These rates are only for amounts below 2 crore. There will be no penalty charges for premature withdrawal of only cumulative fixed deposit, and that too for the period of 1 year. Let's now look at the saving account interest rate. This is for domestic NRE and NRO. For balance up to 1 lakh rupees, the interest rate is 3.75%. Above 1 lakh and up to 5 lakh rupees, the interest rate is 6.75%. For balance above 5 lakh up to 50 lakh, the interest rate is 7%. 50 lakh to 2 crore, 7%. Please note that interest payout will be made on monthly basis on the last day of calendar month. Let's now see other features of this bank. This bank provides mobile banking and internet banking facility. There is also an option to apply online for fixed deposit. If you have a question whether the small finance bank are safe to invest, please watch this video. It will answer all your concerns regarding safety of depositing in small finance bank. If you want to compare the interest rate of Suryoday banks with other small finance bank, please watch this video. I have provided the link in the description box below. If you feel this information was helpful, then please leave a like and please make sure to share it with your friends. If you have any doubts, you can write us to yourschemes@gmail.com or you can leave a comment. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.